English conversation practice for beginners. Describing object. Describing bag.
What is that?
This is my bag.
What color is it?
It is black.
Is it big or small?
It's small.
Is it new?
Yes, it is new.
Describing phone.
What do you have in your hand?
It's my phone.
What color is your phone?
My phone is red.
Is it big or small?
It is small and flat.
What can your phone do?
It can call, send messages, and take pictures.
Describing book.
What are you holding?
I have a book.
What is the name of your book?
The name is Funny Stories.
Is it old or new?
It is new.
What is it about?
It has funny stories for children.
Thanks for watching.